scenes inside of MyEcon, especially on our team. So let's get right into it. Alfredo Delgado just reached the highest rank in the company, CEO Infinity, in 9 weeks. Broke the record, and this company has been around for 13 years. Alfredo is averaging $15,000 per week. Results not typical. Individual results vary, but this is the caliber of success and leadership that you have the opportunity to lock arms and work directly with. And I'm just going to scroll through, show the results specifically on our team within the past 24 hours. So congrats, Alfredo. This is actually my income history since getting started. I've gotten paid 5 times. You can see results not typical. Individual results vary, but you can see I'm getting a check every week. And I note here that I don't share this to impress you, but to impress upon you what's possible with what we have our hands on. Not bad for a $35 a month membership, and this income is more than paying my rent here in beautiful Puerto Rico. Let's move on. Oh, someone's calling me. Let me decline that call. Okay, so let's start from here. You can see Esther, she's directly on our team. She posted here, she thought her first check was going to be $200, but she was wrong, and it's $611. Congratulations, Esther. Job well done. She's absolutely crushing it right now. You can see rank advancements. EVP Gold is when you have 10 active customers on your team. Jessica Gordon, congratulations on ranking up to EVP Gold. You can see as a result of using the product, this individual increased their credit score already 95 points. And you can see how stoked and ecstatic they are over that. So congratulations, Jackie. That's a pretty big deal. Congratulations, Charlene Davis, for hitting EVP, Executive Vice President. I'm very happy for you. This is just within the past few hours. You can see some of the team members earning income. Again, results not typical, individual results vary. But you can see this individual, Keith Steffens, made $1,777 with MyEcon. And I'm just going to show you a few of the others. This is Jessica's stats. Her first check was $124, then $164, then $174. Pretty epic. Congratulations, Jessica. You can see the results before and after. As a result of following the product and filling out the W-4, getting cash back, says I shifted my income and got an instant 935% return on my investment, $207 back in my pocket with just this one simple trick. This is what you can expect to learn inside the income shifting membership. So congratulations. We have right here, Alina, her first check was $584, her second check $363, and this is, again, paid weekly, so congratulations. That's pretty awesome. Esther on our team, I shared that earlier. People on our team in boosting their credit score. Here's another one, just increased their credit score 26 points. So how would you like to boost your credit score? You can see this information does work. Which is pretty cool. More income proof from Alicia. Her first check was $8. Her second check $44, which is pretty awesome. Bill Maher, he has Marler. My bad. He has incredible income results as well, but he posted it in a video, so I'm not going to share that here. More people boosting their credit score, which is pretty fantastic. Heather, congratulations. Anna's first check $8. Congratulations. Here we show, first check $8, 236, 241, 304, 129, 137, 220, 343. Getting paid every week. Congratulations, Jerry Jordan. Crystal Walker says she increased her credit score 58 points her first week, just taking action and actually using the product. So those are pretty awesome results. Congratulations to Austin Speck for reaching EVP Platinum, which is pretty amazing. That's 80 active members on your team. Right here, Christy Bell, congratulations on ranking up to EVP. You can see Dios is crushing it. His first check was $457. His most recent check, over $5,000. Again, paid weekly. You can see the progression of income. Pretty fantastic. Congratulations to Angela. In 7 weeks, she's already made over $7,000. That's over $1,000 per week. Again, results not typical. Individual results vary. Congratulations to right here to Jermaine for ranking up to EVP. Congratulations to Alex for ranking up to EVP. Congratulations to Tomasa Perez for ranking up to EVP Gold, which is pretty fantastic. Congrats to Kia for ranking up to EVP. Congratulations to April. And again, this is all within the last 24 hours. Ranking up to EVP. Our team is crushing it. Congratulations, Brian, ranking up to EVP. Congratulations, Dylon, ranking up to EVP. And these are results I shared with you earlier. So if this excites you and you would like to boost your credit score, get cash back from filling out your W-4 the correct way, that's for people who already have a job, this income shifting membership will more than pay for itself. Then we haven't even touched upon the cashback mall and all the savings, but this is inside the back office. If this resonates with you and you would like to run with the winning team, you're gonna see a button right below this video. Click that button and get started. And this is what's gonna be inside your membership. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and just give you a brief preview back here. We're going to click on credit repair system, and we're going to focus specifically on the credit repair product, because I do believe for $35 a month this product more so pays for itself, not to mention all the incentives and things you get along with it. If we click on $750 credit plan, you'll notice all the different lessons back here. Module 1, an introduction to how it all works. Module 2, how to obtain your credit score for free, which is pretty cool. Module 3, how to read your credit report. Module 5, how to dispute items on your credit report. That was 4. And Module 5, how to remove negative payment history. And let me just show you inside what this looks like. You're going to get how to remove payment history video, and then you're going to get all the downloads. What makes this so awesome, they actually have the letters already done for you. All you need to do is fill them out and send them into the credit bureaus, and you can remove negatives off your credit history and boost your credit score pretty quick. As you've seen, some people start seeing increases in their credit score their very first week of utilizing the product. Then Module B, so this is very informative, lots of information back here, and again, you're going to get massive value for your $35 a month membership, and you also have the opportunity to build the affiliate side, which we're pretty gung-ho about, and that's what's got me lit up inside. I actually just got back from Florida taking care of some family business. I'm back in Puerto Rico, and I'm ready to start swinging and just really hit this out of the park, and I'm looking forward to running with you. If this resonates with you, if you're looking to boost your credit score and earn an additional stream of income, be sure to click the button right below this video, lock arms, and let's roll. I just wanted to give you an update on what's been going on inside of our MyEcon business. I hope you got value out of this. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside. Peace.